Vietnam is officially welcomed to the New Year 2026 in a vibrant and festive atmosphere in the capital city of Hanoi.
Tens of thousands of residents and visitors flocked to the central Hoàn Kim district to take part in New Year celebrations, highlighted by the Hanoi Countdown 2026 program featuring renowned artists including world-leading DJ Alan Walker, delivering an electrifying, emotional night of music. Fireworks lit up the sky over Ho Chi Minh City as thousands of residents and visitors from across the country gather at Nguyễn Huệ Walking Street to welcome the New Year 2026. Fireworks reveler gathers in excitement and hope. The New Year's atmosphere was just as lively as Bạch Đằng Rough to Thiem Tunnel and along the Saigon River, where thousands chose their spot to catch a glimpse of the dazzling fireworks display. And after Samoa, Tonga, and Kiribati welcome 2026, many Asian countries joined in the New Year's festivities.
And in South Korea, Seoul's Bonggisak bell rang 33 times at 11 p.m., a symbol of peace and prosperity at an annual event attracting thousands. Thailand lit up Bangkok with fireworks over the Chao Phraya River and a 4D drone light show with shopping centers hosted countdown events. Now Malaysia celebrated at the Petronas Twin Towers with fireworks, cultural performances, 3D and laser displays, alongside nationwide spiritual ceremonies. In Dubai, Burj Khalifa dazzled with a 62-minute countdown and fireworks, accompanied by a drone show creating 9 artistic formations, while 48 other locations across the UAE also held spectacular firework displays.